you are struggling and wondering how to get the right hashtag for your video, this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use your hashtag rightly, how to place your hashtag, and how to get the right hashtag that the big YouTubers in your niche are using to blow their channel. So follow me to the end of this video. Let's dive into it. First, you have to understand that we have two types of hashtag. We have broad hashtag and also we have specific hashtag. Broad hashtag are hashtag short, hashtag cooking, hashtag entertainment, hashtag fitness. These are broad hashtag used for the whole niche. Before we continue, let me quickly show you the things to consider before you pick hashtag. You pick hashtag based on the volume of that hashtag. If the hashtag has high volume, that is the hashtag you should go for. So, and mind you, don't pick the hashtag if it has high volume, if it's not related to what you are creating. It must be related to your content, the content you are creating, and the niche you are in. So you don't pick hashtag because it has high volume and is not related to what you are creating. Now let's go. I'm using shorts because I'm creating short content. Hashtag short here has 1.3 billion videos and 69 million channels. As you can see, this very hashtag is really doing well. So this is a hashtag you should go for whenever you want to create your short content. So it has hashtag short, the one that did not have S, has 238 million videos and 25 million channels. As you can see, it's doing well, but not as the one that have S is doing. So these are the things you consider. You have hashtag short video, 281 million videos and 200 million channels. Now we have another one, hashtag short viral. It has 50 million videos and 4.3 million channels. As you can see, the first one there, which is hashtag short, is doing better than all of them. These are the things you consider before picking your hashtag. You pick the one that have high volume. When it comes to specific hashtag are based on a particular thing you are creating at that time. What you are creating at that time is the hashtag that you will use. Let's say I'm doing chicken recipe, hashtag chicken recipe. This is different from broad hashtag, which is generally used like a comedian, you say hashtag comedy. But when it comes to entertainment, you say hashtag entertainment. But when it comes to specific thing you are creating that time, let's say I want to create content based on food, the hashtag I will use is hashtag food. That is specific hashtag. It's different from broad hashtag. There are difference between short content and long form video. In short content, you don't put your hashtag on your description. You put your hashtag at the end of the title. Let's say my title is Hilarious Housewife. After that Hilarious Housewife, I'll place my title at the end of it, not at the beginning, at the end. But when it comes to long form video, you don't place your hashtag on your title. You place your hashtag on your description. Like after you have describe your video, at the end of the video you place your hashtag. That is where you place your hashtag. So don't place more than 3 hashtags because YouTube recommend and also prioritize only 3 hashtags, not more than that, because if you stuff your video with hashtag, it just waste of time. YouTube will not recommend those hashtags. There are places you have to place a hashtag in your Chrome version so that YouTube will use this to recommend your video. And also the hashtag of those big YouTubers in your niche, you have to get their hashtag and place it on your video. So let's dive into it. Now let's go straight to the Chrome. Yes, when you click on your setting here, then you now come to the channel. Look at this place. As you are seeing this place, these are the hashtags that I use for this place. This very channel is comedy channel. Look at it. You have hashtag marriage, you have a hashtag relationship, you have hashtag family, we have hashtag parenting, hashtag family problem. These are the hashtags that I use for this channel. You also come down, you now see some competitors, those people that I'm competing, those people that are big in the niche that I am. I also place their names here, their channel's name. You have to place it there. When they are searching their content, your content will also appear. Look at this place. In this place, you will see that we have 500 channels. You can place up 400. You can place up to 450 hashtags here, and those hashtags should be also your broad hashtag and also your competitors hashtag. And the competitors hashtag, how do we get this competitors hashtag? We use app that we call Metrocool. You use your Metrocool. When you get to Metrocool, you have to type the name of the particular competitor that you are trying to copy the hashtag. So when you click it there, this Metrocool is going to give you all those competitors hashtags. Then you now copy it. All you need to do is to screenshot it, copy it, and place it on your ChatGPT. Your ChatGPT will help you to develop these things and create out more hashtag for your channel. This will help your channel. One thing people neglect about YouTube is that YouTube is a game. If you are into YouTube just to make fun, just to show yourself, just to show how creative, how elegant, how qualified you are, very good. But if you are here to make money, pay your bills, and living, so you have to jump into game side of YouTube, which will help you to achieve those things fast. So when you copy this thing, you go to your ChatGPT, place it. Okay, let's say I copy this. I'll go to ChatGPT. I will place it and say, this is the hashtag that those in my niche are using. I want you to use it to create hashtags for my niche. So you have to place your niche on it. Once you place your niche, so ChatGPT is going to grant all these hashtags for you. The hashtag that your competitors are using, going to bring it out for you. So you go there and paste it on your channels, so your channel is good to go. So you have to take advantage of this. You make sure that you get the hashtag the big YouTubers are using. When people are searching their name, your name will also appear. I tried this on this channel. Before, in this channel, I just use only hashtag based on what I'm cooking, both specific hashtag, broad hashtag. I use it. This channel here blow up once I start changing the hashtag I used to use particular hashtag. Before I now found out this information, I start using this hashtag. Everything about this channel change. They want you should understand that 2025 YouTube is still using hashtag to recommend videos to people, like other social medias. Before, we say Facebook social media, Twitter, TikTok, Instagram, all these are social media, but it's no longer like that. All these are interest media. YouTube is recommending to people based on what they really like. How will YouTube know what somebody like? It's based on the hashtag you put on your channel. If you put the right hashtag, YouTube will take your video and give it to the right people. If you keep putting the random hashtag, YouTube will take videos to the random people, give it to everybody. And one that kills channels fast is when people that is not interested in your channel start receiving your videos, so harm your channel. So you have to make sure that you place the right hashtag, you place the right keyword, so that YouTube will use it to recommend your video to people that will need it. Now, another place you can also know whether the title you are using, the search rate is high or not, is your TubeBuddy. When you get your TubeBuddy, connect it to your channel, which I will make video on it. When you connect it to your channel direct to YouTube, so when you get the title you need, so you just take it to TubeBuddy, and TubeBuddy is going to bring out related title to that and tell you the lowest level of that very title you want to use. So the level interest on those keywords that you want to use, the search rate is high and the competitor is low, that is the right one to go. Like from 70 upwards is okay, 40 downward is not okay. Once you get such average, you don't go with it. 40 less is strong. So when you get one that is from 70 upwards, 60 is still okay, you can also go with it. So these are the apps you need to use for your videos to go viral. The hashtag is still really working, so you have to make sure you place your hashtag at the right place, where to place it and how to place it very well. And that is not the only place you place your hashtag. When you get to this place, you will see where you put your tags. Tag is another thing that you use to get people on your channels. So when you get to this place on your channel, after your description, you go to your video. Let's quickly do that now. So when you click on your video, I pick this particular video. At the end of this video, you go straight, you see where they put tags. This place, you put the tags of that video you are creating. You put the tags. If this video is for food, I'll just put food. I'll put food, enter. I'll enter it. Then I will not put other things that I need for that video. So that is how it was. You have to make sure you prioritize your hashtag, and also make your hashtag snappy. Don't put plenty hashtag on your video. 2 to 3 hashtag is enough for your video. Please, if you like what we are doing here, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this channel, and also to give this channel a thumbs up, so that when next we send video, you'll be the next to get it. If you have any issue concerning your channel, please don't forget to comment at the comment section. We will get back to you real quick. See you in my next video.